Okay, this is the second video on the VW T25 T3 Vanagon. So 1987. It's only done 64,000 miles from new, and yeah, fallen in love with it, so decided to keep it. I think the last video I did, there was an auto box problem. Hopefully that now is sorted. Just a little walk around. You've got 240 hook up there. All the trims are good, all the tyres are good. These lovely glass louvre vents there. You've got all this stuff for the fridge vents, etc. So looking underneath this van, it was absolutely solid. There's only the visual stuff, so basically what's left to do, I think we can repair these panels here. The bumpers are being taken off, straightened up and painted tomorrow. There's a bit of a lip there, it's had a bit of a whack in the past. This panel here will be replaced. This entire arch, I think I'll be buying those off Heritage. There's a LPG fill-up point there. Again, this panel here, that complete arch will be replaced. There's currently an LPG tank underneath. It's been decommissioned, switched off, whatever you want to call it, and what looks like an Espacha diesel heater next to it, which I would imagine run off the LPG. Not too sure, got to look into that. It's the pop top. I've done all of these clips. These clips needed fixing. Not put the pop top up yet. I think the crossover gas struts are a bit weak. I'm just waiting for somebody to, well, didn't get round to lifting it up basically, but it's all cleaned. Again, just a few little tiny little bits here that needs taking off. All easy stuff, but yeah, decided to keep it, and hopefully if it can get it into mint condition, which to be honest it isn't far off. I mean, you know, nothing I can see has been done. It's the 3-speed auto, and yeah, what's to go wrong? Keep fit windows, real nice Hoggy Bear fabric seats, armrests. It's even got the pump, it's on the side here, pump up lumbar supports, so keeping them. What I really like about these is the build quality. Everything feels great. That's very obviously an 80s dash, but just everything, the build quality, it's lovely. Everything nice, even down to the keys. You know, go the extra mile, stuff like that. Brilliant. Alfa Romeo do that. You know, put your badge, put your logo on your seat, put it on the keys. Lovely. Yeah, we'll leave build quality there with Alfa Romeo, but I've had 5 or 10. Yeah, it's just that. It's how stuff makes you feel when you drive them, and this, I absolutely love this. We've spent 2 days cutting the paintwork back. That's all good with G3, and then final cutting paste, and then Maguire's wax over it. So actually, no, the areas close to the rust obviously didn't wax, but yeah. It's been really well looked after. There's a massive wad of history with it. Michelin tyres, all good. Yeah. Can't bring myself to sell it, so I'm not going to. And hopefully rent this van out on Go Booney, Quirky Campers maybe. Totally original, upper storage there. All of the heating controls there. Bit here for the top section, it could be a 4-berth if needed. The batteries, I've put a new battery in, and it looks as if somebody'd used that as a leisure. I think what I'll do is I'll run from the main battery, I'll run a split charge relay over to keep a decent quality and amp hour leisure battery charged. Then I can run all of the 12-volt system. We've got the gas here for the cooking my rubbish, for the gas cooking, and obviously your Electrolux ignition there, which looks as if it runs on gas, battery and 240, so it's a proper three-way. And again, it's like brand new. It's nearly 38 years old. The sink there, with. Obviously goes up like that. And the gas there. And underneath, when you pull the front down, it's really awkward without the GoPro. Hang on, that's all. See the grill under that. Good design actually, you can't pull them forward with them, they're down. And the back storage there with the cutlery drawer. So, usual table on a pod there. I'll just remove that. So yeah, we're just about to take all the curtains out, wash them, give the floor a steam clean. That was immaculate, but I've been trampling all over it. Fitted a new JBL speaker there, so it's a four-way speaker system there. How easy is that? Just that back section there needs moving back slightly, but there's your bed. And to put it back, if it plays ball. Beautiful. Sliding door, no drama. Tiny little bits here that'll need doing. I've pointed that out. The other piece is, this is probably normal for these, you're taking the windscreen out and replacing this section here for new. I'm not happy with that. That's clearly going to go through. Clean up these wiper arms. A little bit around the top there. I've put sort of rust cure on it for now to stop it getting any worse. A small little piece on the edge there, that's an easy job. Again, here, easy. Well, look at the condition of that for nearly 38 years old. Oil and water, love that. It's Richard HOLSWORTH, Reading Berkshire conversion. Okay, so the grubby bits. So it's the 3-speed auto, which driving it back worked absolutely fine. The problem I had when I bought it was when I topped up the ATF fluid, it was basically coming back out the filler neck. I'd dip it, run it, and all the ATF fluid was coming out. So based on the fact I'd never had one of these before, didn't know what to do, went on the 80s 90s forum, and I'm not going to get in close enough, but basically on the top of the different gearbox there's 2 breathers. So took the top off those, unblocked them, and I'm yet to fit a rubber sort of breather system that I might come up here and just sort of locate here to keep all of the crud away from it. Apart from that, it needed absolutely nothing. It squeaks a bit when it starts, needs a new tightening fan belt, but all good. Peerbird carb, runs superb when it starts. All of the water was topped up in the tanks here. Yeah, lovely. So today we're going to take out the curtains and give it a steam clean and go from there. The only bit of work I've got to do is this section here and that. I've got some Formica in brown I'll put on there, give that a new lease of life. That's the fluid we used. Yeah, so basically put new fluid in. It didn't like it, spat it out, unblocked the breathers, dropped all the diff fluid, replaced that 1.25 litres, and then filled up with the new ATF to probably 2.5-3 litres. drove it and then topped it up to the maximum, and so far so good. It's no joy. No, actually no, what I'm talking about, it's worked. So hopefully the gaskets, pinion, seal, whatever it is all good. So yeah, really looking forward to getting this one back to top condition, which it isn't that far off for one of these. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll do more updates on my new van, our new van, when the arches are done, front and rear. There's nothing underneath. It's I don't know, it's been obviously refurbished, restored in the past. There's literally nothing that needs doing, so it'll be a case of Vanagon or something like that underneath. Just these few little bits. This will all be painted. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll get on with the cleaning and steam cleaning and stuff.